Okay, I'm repairing my OH charger. I took the knuckle off and I took it in to have the ball joint pressed out of it, and in the process I damaged one of the rubbers, this one right there, and I don't feel like buying a whole arm, another lower control arm, when all I did was, you know, put a little rip in the rubber. So on all rubbers, on ball joints, tie rods, they have little springs on them right there and there, because I already took this one off. So this rubber, this spring went right there, and then I had the smaller spring was on the bottom, so I took it off, and if you can see it, but there's the rip. There's the rip in my rubber. I used crazy glue on it. Now I'll show you the rest of my process for repairing it. I'll have more close-ups in a minute. Okay, I'm inside. I had the rubber. I'll be using a degreaser to clean off all the grease. Just squirt it all up. Wipe it all off with the rag first. Wipe it off. Dried it. Okay, I made sure it was pretty dry. I'm sure you can see right there. I'll try to get a better angle, better shot. That's where the crack was. I already fixed this one, so you know, I should have did the video sooner, but I used crazy glue, put a long in there, flipped it inside out, make sure it's nice and dry. There's the crack from the inside, right there, if you can see it. Right there. Okay, so now what I got is after the crazy glue, just basic crazy glue to get the crack to hold together a bit. And now I got electric tape. It's flexible. So now and right over the crack. Man, there you go. Didn't have to buy a whole new control arm. Fixed it, then just reverse process, put it on, put the springs on it, fill it back up with grease. The tape says 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Okay, and there it is. I saved all you know, unnecessary stuff of showing you how I put it all on and everything. It's, you know, I guess it's common sense. You know, you take it off, reverse it. But if you can see, there it is. Quick fix. To me, I think it looks great. I'll try to show you. I think you can, up there, I think you can see the repair, and to me it looks good as new. Hopefully it lasts till the part actually wears out, 25,000, 50,000 later. So, okay, thanks for watching.